To connect Mailchimp to your Wix website, you need to have a Mailchimp account and a Wix website. Start by logging into your Mailchimp account and navigating to the integrations page. Search for Wix in the search bar and click on the Wix integration. You will be redirected to a page where you can authorize Mailchimp to access your Wix account. Click on the Authorize button and you will be redirected to the Wix login page. Log in to your Wix account and authorize Mailchimp to access your account. Once you have authorized Mailchimp, you will be redirected back to the Mailchimp website. You will see a list of your Wix sites. Select the site you want to connect to Mailchimp. After selecting your site, you will see a list of available audiences in your Mailchimp account. Choose the audience you want to connect to your Wix site. After connecting your Wix site to Mailchimp, you can start using Mailchimp features on your Wix site. You can use Mailchimp to create and manage email lists, create and send email campaigns, and track the performance of your emails. You can also use Mailchimp to add a sign-up form to your Wix site, allowing visitors to subscribe to your email list. To add a sign-up form to your Wix site, navigate to the Wix editor and click on the Add button. Search for Mailchimp in the search bar and select the Mailchimp sign-up form. Customize the form to fit your needs and click on the Add to Site button. The form will be added to your Wix site, allowing visitors to subscribe to your email list. By following these steps, you can easily connect Mailchimp to your Wix website and start using Mailchimp features to grow your email list and create effective email marketing campaigns.